He was still in surgery early Friday evening, state police said, following an attack condemned by writers and politicians around the world as an assault on the freedom of expression. A man rushed to the stage at the Chautauqua Institution and lunged at Rushdie, 75, as he was being introduced to give a talk on artistic freedom to an audience of hundreds. Stunned attendees helped wrest the man from Rushdie, who had fallen to the floor. A New York State police trooper providing security at the event arrested the attacker. Police identified the suspect as Hadi Matar, a 24-year-old man from Fairview, New Jersey, who bought a pass to the event. New York State Police Commander Eugene Staniszewski briefed the media.
At this point, we're assuming he was alone, but we can't, we're looking to make sure that that was the case.
Rushdie, who was born into a Muslim Kashmiri family in Bombay, now Mumbai, before moving to the United Kingdom, has long faced death threats for his fourth novel, The Satanic Verses, which some Muslims said contained blasphemous passages. The novel was banned in many countries, with large Muslim populations upon its 1988 publication. Iran's semi-official Fars news agency and other news outlets donated money in 2016 to increase the bounty by $600,000. Fars called Rushdie an apostate who insulted the prophet in its report on Friday's attack.